What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lorna Marie, and today for you I'm sharing what is in my work bag. Now, I work from home, but I love to go to Starbucks or different places in order to work, and these are the items that I would bring with me. Also, in my house, I just like having everything packed, so if I switch from room to room, I have everything accessible in my bag. So this is my new bag. I have not packed it yet, so I'll be sharing with you guys. Still got to pull the handles off, but I thought this would be so cute so you could see everything inside of it. It's just like a fun spin on a work bag, you know? So if you guys are new here, definitely consider subscribing and hitting that little bell. I love making a well-executed kit. They call me the kit queen here because I am always making sure I have everything prepared and ready to go on a kit. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, definitely follow me over there as well because I post reels and product links, and you can definitely get a hold of me a lot easier on my Instagram. Without further ado, if you guys want to see what's inside my work bag, then just keep watching. Okay, here is the bag, you guys. It is kind of heavy, so I'm gonna try to hold it up here. But this is from Amazon. I really love this bag, you guys. All of the links for everything will be listed down below in a blog post. I will post it like 5 times. I just want to repeat that because I always get people asking me like, I don't see the links, but they're in a blog post. They will always be there from now on. If you don't see something in here, you feel like I'm missing it, it's probably because it's in this bag here. I am holding my camera because I want to give you guys a close-up of the bag. I am obsessed with this bag. The only thing, I wish it was gold because I don't really like silver, but it's fine. It's my work bag. I'm not going to go carry it with my outfits and wearing all my jewelry and everything. Usually I'm dressed pretty casual. I do have this on me. If you guys have not seen this video, this is my pouch, my everyday essentials pouch. I will link it for you guys down below in the blog post. But this has all the essentials, all the necessities that you could possibly think of. It will fit in here. I know that sounds kind of crazy, but I bring that with me. It always comes with me, whether I'm bringing a day bag. I will link all of that for you guys. But basically, this always comes with me. I put it in my day bag, or I'll put it in here if I need to, but most likely I'm wearing it. The bag has this chain strap, and it is super sturdy, you guys. It's heavy. I mean, I got my laptop in here, all the cords, everything you can possibly think of. I think because of the way these metal pieces are, it makes it super strong, and it's just really nice. It has these handles so you can slip it over your forearm. It does have a clasp right here, but my bag's too packed to do that as usual. But yeah, so here is the overview of the top. I just wanted to show you guys in the bag, but it is definitely a really nice quality bag. And I opted for this. I do have like a full, never full Louis Vuitton bag that I used to use, but I just like that this is more structured. I feel like my Louis Vuitton bag, it's just hard to find anything. This is clear so I can see everything at a glance. So I just really like this option. So let's bring the bag closer. I'm gonna put my pouch over there. As you can see, I stick everything in here like file folders so I can find everything. I have an iPad, here it is. I have black dog hair and everything. Don't mind that. So this pouch is from Etsy. I do not, to be honest with you, bring my iPad with me. It will be either or, and usually it's my laptop because I edit videos for YouTube and stuff like that. I keep this when I'm at home, but I also have a really nice case for this as well. So I just wanted to show you guys. And some people may like to just bring their iPad instead, but I love this case. I actually added, oh, it's missing. Anyways, I had a keyboard that I actually add to this. So sitting on top here, it's just a little loose. I really enjoy bringing this with me. This is in my health bag video. I will link that down below and in the eye above for you guys. But I basically have some Stir, love my Stir. I have some chlorophyll drops, and then I have some stevia. And then I also have some electrolyte drops that I kind of intermix in here. But then I just have some tea if I don't like the tea where I'm at, if I'm at a coffee shop or whatever. And then I just have some Sigmatic cacao mushroom mix. It's basically like a healthy hot chocolate. And then I have these like matcha sticks. But I will share that video with you guys if you're interested in seeing all of this stuff in here. Next up, I have this little pouch. Isn't it so cute? I actually designed this. It is not available yet. Let me know if you guys are interested. But this is a seat cover. So sometimes they have those hard wooden chairs, and I have bad hips because your girl had 4 kids. I know, it's so crazy to even think. But it basically just blows up. Okay. It's like a whole seat cover. I'll blow it up for you guys so you can see. I really like it because it's super comfortable, but it folds down really flat. So I really, really like it. And I bring this with me on road trips, or I try to keep it in my day bag with me as well, because if they have those hard chairs, I whip this bad boy out. I'm gonna show you guys this in a second, but I'm just making room for everything else. So next up, I have this little pouch that I also got off of Amazon. I just have my blue light glasses, my Jeffrey Dahmer ones, and then I have some lens wipes. So I just keep those all in there together. Okay, next up, oh, this one is the heaviest part of my bag, but I like that I can see through it. So I have a tech bag that's in here. Let me grab that out as well. I already showed this to you guys. Of course, it'll be linked, but all of my basic stuff that I bring with me on a day-to-day basis is in here. Okay, so here is that cleaning thing that I have in my tech bag. I just wanted to show you guys a few of the things in here. This you spray on here and then you wipe it clean, and it works so good. I just did it. I should have did it on camera, but love that. And then I have a clutch charger, which is my favorite. I'm gonna insert a video here. It packs a punch, you guys. Like some of these little chargers, you get like a half a charge. This charged my full phone, and then it gave me some after that, which is incredible. So they also have a stronger one that's even stronger than this. It's by Clutch. I will leave all the information in that blog post for you guys. But look how small and sleek it is. It's absolutely the best. I also have a discount code for you. I believe it's ALM10. I'll leave all that information for you guys so you can get the discount, but this is the best charger in my opinion. Love it. You just charge it, turn it on, and it's good to go. Look, I still even have one little bar left after I charge my phone. So I have a few of these iWalk chargers, which are the best. They also have a dock, which are super good. Then I have this tool. You can actually clean your speakers, your headphones. Like even like with this, it has a little brush. You can come in here and clean your keyboard or whatever. I have a bigger one that I keep in my desk at home, but this is nice for on the go. Love that. I also keep this Apple external battery. You just wrap your Apple Watch on it. And I'm pretty sure you can set your phone on there if you have that magnetic capability. And then in the top here, I just have like the extra cords. And then I have this little port that has USB-C and USB, and the prongs just pop out like this, which is super nice. And then I just have this little kit that's in there that has all of the converters and extensions and all of that, which is nice. So I just grab it, stick it in here because I know I'll have all of the basic cords and necessities. But this is for working on the go. I have all of my computer stuff in here. And what I like about this one is it has little pockets here. So this is for my computer, so I can plug in SD cards, and then I can also plug solid state drive in if I need to. And that's what this is here. I put a sticker over it. I hate that it's orange. I don't understand why people can't make things that have neutral colors. I don't get it. So then I have just my cube. This is actually my husband's. This is our travel page, Travel Vibe Chasers. I actually designed this sticker. So then we have this. I love having an extra extension cord, because if you're somewhere and somebody already claimed the cord, you can take this and you can be like, hey, can I just get the bottom cord? And then you have a huge extension cord. It has 3 USBs and it has 2 plugs. And then it just has this rubber thing so you can keep it all nice and compact. Isn't that great? You just stick that in here like this. And then on the other side here, it has another little pocket. And then I just have my cord. I actually bought this. This is a really long computer cord, and it works really, really well with the Apple Cube, so if you guys have a Mac. And then I have this, so if I do any like video calls or anything like that, I have this light. And it is the best, you guys. Honestly, if you go out or you do a lot of pictures or video, you will absolutely love this. So I stick that in there as well. And that is all that's in this little guy here. Next up, on this side, I just have this pouch with a bunch of my pens. I have a white sticky note. I don't really need to take notes, but I also have some correction tape at the top. But I just love how sleek and cute everything looks. I really like it. And then I bought this beige set of pens because they're aesthetically pleasing, but these highlighters are also like really pretty. So I love how flat this lays. So this is really nice. So next up, I have this little Louis Vuitton pouch. This just has my headphones. So I don't have big headphones right now. I just have the little ones, which is fine. These are refurbished ones from Amazon. They sell them on there for a little bit more affordable. And I just bought these and they work great. And if they didn't work great, I would return them. So they are awesome. I love these. And this is my second pair. I love them so much. And my dog ate them. So ate the first pair. So now I just have it in this little pouch here. This is one thing too. I love that the bag's clear, so then I can put all of my pretty little Louis Vuitton pouches. I'm actually getting ready to sell some of my bags because I just have a few and that's all I really need. I'm not really I don't need like a whole room full anymore. It just feels like too much for me. So anyways, but I do like having a few little pieces. Then we have this guy here. This is just like my essentials pouch for my work bag. It's similar to the one that I have in my day bag video, which I will also post for you, but I just keep a little bit more of basic necessities. So I got this from the Dollar Tree. It's this cute little Band-Aid thing. Then I just have a little bit of deodorant. I have some basic pills and stuff in here, you know, like Tylenol, all the basic things. Then I have some soap, which they probably will have some, just in case. I have a little thing of soap. I just found these, you guys. I think these are great to have floating around in your purse because they are individually wrapped. So these are dental floss picks. And you guys know I love having my floss, but I just didn't want to weigh my bag down. It's already really heavy. So I just have a few of these in the bag here on the side right here. And then I just have some extra packs of lotion. I also wanted to keep it small because I could have put a whole lotion thing in here. It's just nice to not have to bring a huge thing. And then I just have some mouthwash if I want to freshen up. And that's it. That's all I have in here. Then I have this little snack thing. I love this thing. It just has all of the necessities. So it's really cool because you can either do it like this, which is nice because this one is pistachios. So you don't have to open the huge big thing. You can just pour them out like that. Or you can open the whole thing like this. This is just cut up protein bar. So I put a protein bar in there. I like eating it in pieces because sometimes I don't feel like I need the whole thing. And then I have my favorite candy, which these are, I think they're keto. They're like lower sugar, higher fiber. These are better than Smart Sweets. I used to do Smart Sweets, but they broke my tooth. So yeah, and then I just have some pop chips. They're just a little bit. I don't snack anymore, to be honest with you guys. I just lost a lot of weight. If I'm dying and I can't get to lunch or something, I have this. That's why I like it. So I don't snack a lot. I feel like before that's where I gained a lot of my calories, was snacking in between meals. So I don't really snack anymore. So, but if you do, this would also be helpful. Okay, we are getting to the end here. I do have a couple things in the back that I'll show you guys. But so I have this pouch. Okay, so I have this little silicone pouch. It is super small and sleek. It just has the bare necessities. I just have whatever lip product I'll be using for the day, and then my eye brush. And that's it. That's all that's in this little guy. So it's just nice and small, so I don't have to pack too much stuff. Then back here, I just have this pouch. It's the same as the one that had like all the pens and stuff. I love these. I love the color. I think they're so nice. I just have hand wipes, and then I have some Clorox wipes so I can wipe the area down that I'm gonna be working at, and that's it. Okay, and then I bring my own water because I love having to not pay. And then if I get free water because I'm at Starbucks, I will fill it up if I need to and bring it with me. We have this gorgeous computer cover. I love it, just so protective. Look at that, and it's nice and sleek. I have a 16-inch laptop, so this is huge. Oh, actually I have one more item to show you guys, but I'll show you that. So here's my cover to my computer. I love it so much. It's very pretty, also from Etsy. What was in this bag right here goes with my laptop. What you do is you open it up like this. Actually, I'm gonna do this on the counter so you guys can see it better. See how it's upright so I can type and then my wrist won't bend. It makes things more like ergonomically correct. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is how the stand is, and it folds completely flat, which I absolutely love. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed what was inside my work bag. Like I said before, I will be listing everything for you guys down below in one link. It will take you to a blog post where all of the links will be listed for you guys. Thank you so much for making it all the way through to the end of the video. If you've made it this far, leave me a pen emoji and let me know that you did. If you guys have not done so, subscribe and hit that little bell. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and until next time, I'm always your girl, Lorna. Bye.